there, budding artists! Today, we're diving into the world of alphabets. Ready to draw and color? Let's get started! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Get your trusty black marker and start drawing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Bold the outlines. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, it's time to splash some color. Red color A. Yellow color B. Orange color C. Green color D. Blue color E. Pink color F. Purple color G. Brown color H. Bottle green color I. Bottle green color J. Brown color K. Purple color L. Pink color M. Blue color N. Green color O. Orange color P. Yellow color Q. Red color R. Yellow color S. Orange color T. Green color U. Pink color V. Blue color W. Purple color X. Brown color H. Bottle green color Z. Great work, everyone! We've mastered drawing and coloring the entire alphabet. Keep those creative juices flowing. Until next time, keep drawing and stay inspired. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.